Let's check out the two variants for the Mitsubishi X-Force. So we have two variants here. This one is the GT variant, and the other one
It's the GLS variant.
GLS variant. So this is the top of the line model, two-tone color. This one is the ultra yellow,
Energetic yellow.
energetic yellow,
And the other one is white pearl.
white pearl. Two-tone kapag GT variant. Pag GLS, monotone.
Meron tayong color gray. Meron din color white.
There's color gray and color white available. So, ayan. Monotone, hindi siya two-tone katulad nung isa na top of the line. So, ito, single lang. Ayan. So, this is technically the base model. O, meron pang base.
Model eh. Dalawang variant lang talaga.
Two variants lang. So, the GLS, GT variant. So, ayan.